Excuse me.
Hey, how can I help you?
Yeah, I'm looking for a tire.
Tire?
Yeah.
Any particular range you looking for?
What's your
I
price?
got this one for $550.
$550.
Yeah, brand new, got good tread and all that.
One tire.
Yeah, one tire. Yeah, one tire.
Yeah, nah, you got something else.
I got this one on the bottom for $300. It don't got good tread like this one.
$300? I just came from across the street. Man told me 80.
Well, shit, goddamn, you need to go back across the street because this ain't that. Like, $300 ain't that bad for one.
What? I ain't
Okay,
never paid that
one
much.
in the back somewhere. It's bald, probably like $200.
Bald. How the hell you even selling bald tires?
4 bald tires, $200. That's a good price.
What the hell? Yeah, I'm straight.
You want a battery or something?
Nah, I'm good.
You need a line? I'll give you a line for $400.
Nah, I'm gonna just go back across the street. Thank you though. Thank you. I appreciate it. Wow.